Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day and another day of higher highs and higher lows. So let's get some things updated here. First off, a great example here of this, former area of resistance acting as support. And I suppose this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous videos that I've done. But last video did an update. We're now called that a level of support. And check it out. Price pulled back here, and you just can't make this stuff up. Absolutely beautiful pullback right to that area and then bounce from it. So a classic example of resistance acting as support. So that is definitely going to remain an important level of support moving forward. But what I'm going to do here is actually adjust this level up here. So we can call the newest level and what I would call the ideal level at 975. Ideal meaning for to ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price could stay above 975, that would certainly be a great sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price breaks below that level and that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would be a huge sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above 975 would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, as I've said in the past, they don't matter. What matters the most is what the price has been doing and continues to do, and that's just build those higher lows, or if you want to envision these as stair steps. So in other words, as long as these stair steps continue to construct themselves in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So overall, the uptrend continues. Let's see what next week has to offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.